Hi guys, today I'll show you how to create materials with AI in Chaos Corona. Let's start. We open the Chaos Corona browser and click on the Materials tab on the left side. The Generate button will appear at the bottom. If you don't see it, make sure you've installed Corona 13 Hotfix 1 or newer. We select the texture we want to convert into a PBR material. Here you can crop the texture to make sure it doesn't repeat. When we click Generate button, it will create our material. I'll do a few more tests trying darker tones and stronger bump. Click the download button to save the material to your browser. Under the online section on the left, go to download it. There you'll see your generated material. Click the green export button next to it to assign it to your selected object. Let's check out the result together. I'll make a few small tweaks to better match the scene. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe to support the channel. For more Corona render, D5 render, and other Archviz tricks, stay tuned. Enjoy the video.